Lesson 3, hashtag research. Now that we've identified a number of realtors in our local market who are posting relevant content, we can create a hashtag database that we draw from when we create our posts. So maybe you know how hashtags work, maybe you don't. Basically, what they are a way for Instagram to classify what your posts belong under, a way to organize media on their platform. It's also a way for us to expose our posts and get more reach if we use them appropriately. You're able to use up to 30 hashtags on each post, but you probably shouldn't use that many. And we'll talk about that here a little bit more. So, how many should we use? Should we use 5, 10, 30, 15? Everyone's going to tell you something different. Now, in my experience, the more you use, the better. But Instagram has recently come out and said that you should only use about between 5 and 10. So, we want to keep it pretty short unless you know what you're doing. So, I would say between 5, 10, and that 15 range is going to be perfect for us. So let's take a look at the different types of hashtags we want to include in our arsenal. We have some real estate hashtags we want to use, and the purpose of these is to grow our account, to get us found by a bigger, more real estate focused audience. You have local hashtags that you're going to use. This is great. This is how we're going to make our money by people in our local market who are interested in real estate. And also, we can use branded hashtags in the signatures of our posts to make our company stand out more in our local market. So, how do we find these hashtags? Well, as we discussed in the last lesson, local realtors hold the key to everything. And it's super critical that you guys build out this close friends list. It's very easy to refer to. And all you're going to do is to see which of your close friends are using hashtags, which hashtags they're using, and then start to create a database of general real estate hashtags, local hashtags. You're going to create your own branded hashtags, but you want to start to put those into different buckets that you can mix in and out. So there's also a great way to do this just right on the Instagram app. You'll type in your local market plus real estate, and then you'll select the tags option, and you're going to see what comes up. And hopefully there's a lot of tags there. It's going to tell you exactly how many posts that hashtag has been used on. And you want to get a nice mix of some of those. So you can screenshot that and again, add it to your arsenal later. All right, guys, here is your action plan. You are going to create an index of 30 to 50 hashtags you can test on different posts. You're going to repeat the process for all of your different avatars, and you're going to create a branded hashtag. Awesome job, guys. See you on the next lesson.